Hey everyone, today we're going to take you through the step-by-step process of setting up and utilizing the Technician Survey feature in Zoho Assist. This tool helps improve service quality, identify training needs, evaluate performance, and even give insights into customer satisfaction. Let's get started. To create a survey, go to Settings, General, Survey, and Technician. This is where you'll manage all your surveys. Click Create New Survey. Add the survey name, description, and choose the session type from the drop-down menu to tailor the survey appropriately. Now, add your questions. Click Add Question and choose from options like single choice, multiple choice, short answer, drop-down, or star rating. Enter your question and add the choices. For more questions, click Add New Question for additional queries. Remember to use the checkbox to mark important questions as mandatory. When you're satisfied with your survey, click Create Survey. You can also create surveys department-wise for more focused feedback. To make the survey show up at the end of sessions, click Publish. You can also choose to unpublish it if required. Use the three-dot menu to edit or delete your survey. Click the preview icon under the action column anytime to see how it looks. Updating a survey is easy. Select the survey, then click Edit. Here, you can change the survey name, session type, description, and question settings. Once done, hit Update Survey. Your survey will then be visible once the remote session ends. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create, manage, and analyze technician surveys in Zoho Assist. Use this tool to elevate your remote service quality based on real, actionable technician feedback.